This isn't just a music player, it's a full hi-fi system in one sleek box. Meet the Eversolo Play CD Edition, the all-in-one streamer, DAC, and amplifier redefining modern audio. With 60 watts per channel at 8 ohms or 110 watts at 4 ohms, it drives most bookshelf speakers effortlessly. Inside, the AK4493SEQ DAC chip delivers over 109 decibels signal-to-noise with almost zero distortion. Every note sounds alive. You can stream from Tidal, Qobuz, Spotify, or your NAS with studio-grade clarity. Control everything from the Eversolo Control app or the 5.5-inch touchscreen, designed for smooth, intuitive use. No phone required. Its room correction system analyzes your room acoustics and optimizes sound automatically. Plus, multi-room playback keeps every corner of your home in perfect sync. And yes, the CD edition features a built-in drive, blending digital precision with old-school soul. With 23 EQ presets, from jazz to rock, it's your sound, your way. The Eversolo Play CD Edition. Minimalist design, maximum emotion. Experience hi-fi without the hassle.